Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about the best iOS 26 battery saving tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about best iPhone 20. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about best iOS 26 battery saving tips or iOS 26 battery drain problems. If you're facing it, then try these kind of tips on your device to fix it. So the first one is all about, as you can see, we might be all in iOS 26 and we know that there is a kind of glass effect over here like this, right? We know that. So these kind of things are actually utilizing a lot of your battery, and that is why you're facing these kind of things. So what you need to do is to first of all just go over here, tap on the settings, and from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the accessibility. Now tap on the display and text size, and you have to go for the reduce transparency over here, and just need to go back, and this is the first and famous step. Next one, if some users is keep all the time, they have a habit, they keep on turning on low power mode. On ആക്കണ്ടല്ലേ ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ ഓഫ് ആക്കിയതാ അയ്യോ ഓക്കെ ഓഫ് ആക്കി ഓൺ ആക്കണ്ടല്ലോ ഓക്കെ ഒന്നുകൂടി എടുക്കുന്നത്. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix iOS 26 battery drain problems on your iPhone, or if you're facing the you just need to look this complete videos to get the iOS 26 best battery tips. So let's get started. So as we know that in the iOS 26 we have some kind of coolest features over here like this. You can see we have glass effect and all these kind of things, or these kind of cool features are there. So these kind of things are really draining out your battery. So if that is the case, the first and famous step is all about, you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the accessibility, and from here you have to tap on the display and text size. And what you need to do is you just need to go over here, turn on the reduce transparency, and once you turn on it, you just need to go back. So this is the first and famous step. Next one, for some users, they always have a habit where they used to turn on the battery even though they're having good charge. For example, I'm having 51% of charge, but some people, they keep all the time the low power mode. So what happens is, if you try this, that's going to bring you laggy, and that's not a good practice. So what I'm saying is, if you accidentally turn on the low power mode, you have to turn off it and only keep low power mode when the situations demands it. For example, if your battery is less than 20%, or you're actually outside your home, and if you really needed the battery, then turn on the low power mode, and rest time, if you're having the battery, you can just turn it off. Next one is all about, you can just go over here, tap on the general, and from here if you scroll down over here, tap on the background app refresh, and just tap on the background app refresh. So make sure you just turn off this, because what happens is, this will be turning off the background app kind of refreshing in this. So you have to turn this off, and now we just need to go back once again, and from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the privacy and security. From here tap on the tracking, and if the tracking is turned on, you have to turn it off. This is very important. So just turn off your tracking, just go over here, you don't have to give the permissions, and just go back. And also from here, if the location service is being turned on, you can turn off the location service as well. Just turn off the location services, and that is also very important, because nobody can track you or location services and all those things. And even if it's running, the background app will drain out your battery, because they are getting the access to these. So make sure you have to turn this off as well. Now once you're done with this one, you just need to go back, go over here at the top and tap on the display and brightness. Here, if you're in the light version over here, always try changing into the darker mode. What I'm saying is, this is one of the best practice. And also if you scroll down over here, you can see there is an option called auto lock. Just tap on this, and if it's been set into never, what I'm saying is you can try either for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Try this, never keep this on never. So just try either 1 or 2 minutes, that is fine, and you just need to go back. And also you can just go over here, if always on display is turned on, that is one of the reason why the battery is draining so fast on a device. So just turn off it always on display. and also try with this, and also try with these kind of tips. Still, if you're having any kind of trouble, what I'm saying is you can just update to the latest versions. If you're having any kind of update in the software, just update to the latest version. That might fix. So these are the steps that you need to keep in mind when you're having a battery drain or drop in your battery on your iOS 26. So these are some of the workable tips, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.